quick introduction to your option 1, option 2 for the Unit 4 project. So for option 1, you will have a worksheet. You will answer some different simple questions about Adinkra symbols. So first is, what is Adinkra? Where does it come from? How is Adinkra cloth made traditionally? And circle Ghana on this map of Africa. Number 4, which Adinkra symbol did you like best and why? So you'll be looking through symbols online and answering the questions, as well as doing a little bit of research to answer those questions. For the second part of option 1, you will list 7 adjectives or words to describe yourself. Circle your favorite 3 of those. Next, you will choose your favorite 3 by circling, and then once you have chosen your favorite 3 by circling, you will then draw in those spaces where you have your Adinkra symbols to be drawn. Within those Adinkra symbol spaces, you will choose your 3 words, write those above the boxes, and then underneath each of those boxes, you will design an Adinkra symbol that reflects that word. Once you've done that, underneath, you will then combine your favorite elements of each of those 3 symbols that you've created into one final symbol. Make sure you're using the entire space and not just writing them very small right in the middle. Make sure you're not plagiarizing and creating your own versions. For option 2, you are going to have a worksheet that you can complete. So for this, you are going to print out the worksheet. You will then put your name on the worksheet. Identify what emotion you are going to be showing on your worksheet. Fill in the 4 boxes for test patterns. In each box, put a different pattern that you feel reflects the emotion you're showing. Then in step 3, you're going to include 4 colors that you feel reflect that emotion. So color in the circles with those colors. Step 4, you're going to design just one Adinkra symbol to go with your mask, and then list in the box right below it what that Adinkra symbol means. You'll then use the second page to design your mask. You will incorporate your Adinkra symbol, your 4 colors, and your 4 patterns into your final artwork. So make sure that you include those in your mask project. You don't have to use the mask template that is given. You can create your own mask template if you prefer, but the mask template is there for you to use. Make sure to answer the questions that are on the worksheet page as well. If you make your own worksheet page, then you can just write those answers right on your page. When you come into the Dropbox, you will see option 1 and 2 linked. You will see the student self-evaluation as well, and a reminder to respond to at least 2 other students. Make sure you complete all the steps so you can earn full points for the project. So again, for your 4.03 project, you are going to come into the Unit 4 4.03 project folder. You can open up the 2 options, option 1, option 2, or click right on the discussion board, and it will take you right to the 2 options that are available to you there. You'll also see both rubrics that will be used for grading in case you wanted to take a look at those. Again, so you'll click on option 1 or option 2, complete those worksheets. Make sure to turn in your self-evaluation and also to respond to at least 2 other students.